Today's Joe Show is sponsored by Pepco Promotional Products. I'm Joe Haley, you're watching the Joe Show. Check out today's first product. This is a whistle, as you can see. We've got some branding opportunities on the side there. Pretty loud, 90 decibels. This is great not only for sports, for safety programs as well, because you're walking on a college campus, say at night, you're going from the library back to the dormitory, or you're walking from a train coming home from work to a parking lot, or walking home and it's dark. You want to make sure you're safety. So it makes a great product for a safety program. This one has got a little rubber grip here, which makes it easy to hold in the mouth if you are refereeing games, but it's great for coaches too. Got great packaging options. You see this one comes with a coil bracelet, so you can wear it on your wrist. You're never going to drop it. And we've got another packaging option here that's going to come with a lanyard. You can wear it around your neck. So think of any of the sports leagues that might use them for coaches, for referees, also again for those safety programs. I'm going to show you this next group of lapel pins here, a variety of different styles. Here's lapel pins are great for a variety of different campaigns and promotions. Years of service is great to recognize an employee for doing something special, to show affiliation with an organization, whether it's a nonprofit or whether it's a sports organization. Lapel pins are great. You're going to wear them on a suit coat. You're going to put them on a backpack. Kids will do that. For any sports club, they're members of a baseball team, a soccer team, a football team, they're going to put them on a backpack. But again, you've got a variety of different options here, styles, colors, finishes as well. I'm going to show you a couple of car flags here. This is a one-sided car flag, as you see. Roll down the window a little bit, put that on the window, put the window all the way back up, and now you've got a secure car flag showing your affiliation, your fans. Also great for businesses too. Pizza delivery businesses, any type of delivery business can have this with their organization's colors and crests and logos on there. This one is a two-sided flag. They can go on either side of the car. Also great to show your support for your teams that just won the Super Bowl. Go Eagles. So a variety of different organizations can use these, from sports groups to schools, of course, to businesses as well. All right. Our next product, we have a bottle cap shaped bottle opener. You've got two functions on the back. One for the twist open bottles. If you don't have a twist open bottles, you're drinking craft beer and don't have a twisty, you've got your bottle opener here. As you see right there, that is two magnets. So you're going to put this right on your refrigerator, go on to get a tasty brew or soda, open it up, put the cap right back on there. We've got spring breaks just right around the corner. This is great to give out a spring break, but it's also good for bars and restaurants, and any beverage company can do it as an in-pack or an on-packed giveaway. All right, this next product, we are coming up to March Madness time. We are a little more than a month away for the first games to start. This is a great desktop basketball game. Of course, it comes with this little ball. You've got great branding opportunity here. Bars and restaurants, if you want to incent people to come in to watch games, this would be a great giveaway. You get a couple of these, raffle them off for offices that want to do their office pools. Want to give one of these to the winners. This is a great idea as well. So it's going to get all fans excited for March Madness, but not only March Madness, right after March Madness, towards the end of the basketball season, we will have the NBA playoffs. So there's some opportunity for pro basketball, for college basketball, and for any basketball program. This is a fun gift. And now we have some products from today's Joe Show sponsor, Pepco Promotional Products. I'll show you some stadium cups here. We've got a variety of different sizes. This is branded on both sides. Of course, these are great for any type of snack shack that a sports organization might run. We've got a smaller size here. You'll see we've got beautiful colors. We've got the green. We've got a translucent blue. I'm going to show you a translucent orange. Find something that matches your organization's color. Put the logo on there when someone comes to the snack shack, the snack stand, to get a soda to drink. You put it in this, and it's a keepsake. Great for colleges and universities as well, and for pro sports teams too. And with the spring coming on, if you're having an outside event and you're providing beverages for clients, for vendors, for employees, it's great to use branded drinkware. Show you some golf flags here in the Northeast. We're still a little cold, but golfing season will be open up for us. Other parts of the country, we have golfing season going on year-round. This is a great golf flag. It's got the PVC pipe inside, so it's going to sit nice on a flagpole. You can see that you can Put any type of logo on there. If you've got a special event that's coming up, the cool thing about this, they have grommets on the side there, so you can have two flags, one that has a logo for the event and another one that might have a sponsor for that hole, and you can tie them together so they're going to flap together. And at the end, you can give these flags to participants, the bottom four or the top four foursome, longest drive, closest to the pin, and they can all get one taken home, hang it in a man cave, put it in an office. Everyone can autograph it. Also good for any tournaments, whether they're local tournaments, whether they're pro-am tournaments. You actually sell these at a gift stand. And again, all those fans can try and get autographs from their favorite golfers. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.